Integration of the VX1000 application driver is not possible, but you still need to measure in a fast manner. Let me tell you more about the VX1000 fast polling feature. Hi, I'm Jonas. Welcome to this VX1000 tech tutorial. This video will give a technical insight about the feature named fast polling. Your ECU provides debug access, but you are not able to integrate the VX1000 application driver? Then our asynchronous method to acquire data at a very fast sample rate may be a great option for you. To use fast polling, you need VX1000 hardware as well as Canopy, vMeasure or Canoe with the XCP license extension. This exclusive feature is available since Canopy 18 Service Pack 2 and Canoe 18 Service Pack 2. With Canopy 23, we've implemented a lot of enhancements. This video will focus on Canopy 23. While normal polling is performed by the tool using XCP uploads, fast polling is directly performed by the VX1000. This dramatically boosts both the measurement data bandwidth and the polling rate. For more information on the physical and basic setup, have a look at our VX1000 Getting Started tech tutorial video. To enable VX1000 communication with the ECU without a VX1000 application driver, the firmware in the base module must be made aware of this. In VXConfig, we go to the base module, target, and check the box for Enable usage without VX1000 application driver. In case the address of the parameter structure is not set to 0, we will see an auto-resolve prompt to set it up that way. Then, we write the settings to the base module to apply the changes. To be able to use the fast polling feature in Canopy, it is essential that the device is set up as VX1000. Now, we have the option available in Canopy to select between regular polling and fast polling. As you can see, fast polling supports polling cycles down to 50 microseconds. You've mistakenly created an XCP device instead of a VX1000 device? Never mind. There is an easy way to switch. In Canopy, go to Device Configuration, right-click on the device which is mistakenly created as XCP, proceed to Modes and simply select VX. The XCP device is transformed into a VX device which is shown in the brackets next to it. So, what is the technical difference between polling and fast polling? Well, let me explain the differences graphically. During polling, each value is individually acquired by Canopy via XCP command and response delayed with each access by the communication turnaround time. As a result, the possible data rate is very limited and the timestamps of the measured values can differ greatly within each polling cycle. With fast polling, on the other hand, Canopy delegates the actual polling to the VX1000, so the command and response latencies are eliminated and the interface bandwidth of the target is fully utilized. This allows both drastically higher sampling rates and a much higher measurement data rate. Both polling and fast polling are asynchronous measurement methods. This means that they are not synchronized with events inside the ECU. This may lead to sporadic glitches or inconsistencies of the measured data, which you should be aware of. We've covered some basic information about fast polling in this video. If you're interested in more detailed content and features, check out the other videos. A playlist link is in the description. There, you can also find a link to set up a meeting with me. Thanks for watching. Already a subscriber to our Vector Tech Tutorial channel? If not, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. You will never miss any of our new content.